everybody. Well, I had fresh banana bread. I just took that out of the oven. It was so great. And I'm having my coffee and watching the guys who are working on our palm trees. They're being very loud. And I'm watching right now. They're on a tree in the back with a huge ladder, and they're taking all the palm fronds off of the trees. They're doing what they call a hurricane cut, where they really cut away a lot of the tree. But they also take these berries that I see falling to the ground. They take those away, and that makes the yard a lot neater, so that's great. And let me turn around so you can see let's see if it's going to focus. I'll get out of the picture so it'll focus. There we go. A beautiful, beautiful blue day. And then I think I'm going to leave and let them make all the noise they want, and we'll go somewhere else. So let's go do something fun. Well, this is what happens when you go to the beach without looking at the weather. You're going to lose their tent. Look out, blue skies. And I move right here, and here comes a storm. It looks like my afternoon at the beach is not going to happen. Oh my gosh. Oh good, the guys are getting their tent down. I don't know if you can see it or not back there. They're really working hard and fast to try to get that tent down, but so far, not raining, but a lot of wind. And the sea is angry back there. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know if I want to go to the trouble to get all of my beach flowing off of the sand. Oh wow. Is it worth it? As much as I love the beach, I think I might have to give up the idea. Oh my gosh. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see all these people running for their lives. So I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to zoom in as much as possible. Look at this. There is sand blowing everywhere. Should I stay or should I go? What do you think you want to do? I'm thinking it's going to be go. Unless I get down farther on the beach, maybe the storm is going in that direction and not that direction. I'll see what I can do. No, this part of the beach is no better. I'm going to turn the camera around. The palms are going crazy, and it does look like it's clearing up a teeny bit, but I don't think it's clearing up enough to go out. I'm in their tent. And it could be another half an hour of waiting to get into the beach or get onto the beach. I see a beach patrol guy. There he is. I wonder if he's trying to get me. Sure. don't think it's working. Oh well, good try. I'm not sure you could even hear me out in that wind, but I'll tell you, it is blowing like mad. But I actually see somebody out in the water, and the waves this pretty high. I'm going to say 5 feet high. So they are determined to be at the beach today. Okay, so the beach didn't work out for us, but I'm back home. I'm in my closet looking for something to wear to go do something this afternoon. Not sure what it is. We'll probably go out to dinner for sure, but I am planning to wear, what do I do with that? I'm thinking about wearing this. These are Michael Kors slacks that I have had for a while. I think a couple years. I think I've even shown them to you before. I believe I'm going to wear those because it's just a casual day. And then I have, with that, I might wear these Valentino Rock Stud slides. And I have a linen top that I'm looking at it. I don't know if I want to wear it or not. I think it needs to be steamed. I think I'm going to wear that linen top if I get the steamer out. But let me show you what I've done here. See these hangers that these slacks are on? I am rearranging my closet a bit and organizing it more. I have a lot of space, but it just doesn't look like I want it to look. I will show you one section here that I'm working on, and I'm doing this a bit at a time. This is all leisure wear, like workout wear. You know, I wore something like this to the beach today. It was a Lululemon. But see the hangers right there? I've been changing all of these hangers out to white hangers. Now I'm working on all of the ones that have clips on them. These are like golf skirts. I don't know if you could see it because that one's black. I chose the wrong one. Here's a white one. Here's a white golf skirt. Even though I don't play golf, I like the golf skirts, and I wear those because I don't wear shorts very often. So what I have done, I found after a lot of looking at every store in town and then finally going on Amazon, I found white clip hangers. I've ordered 20 of these so far to see if I like them. I'm putting it in front of my face. See the clips on the bottom are white and the hangers are white, so when they hang, look at this, everything is white. I have found the best organizer for jeans. These are all jeans, light wash all the way down to dark. And then I have summer, that's white jeans there, although I have about a half a rack more of white jeans in different lengths and styles. And then I have all of my summer sweaters in here. And I love these because they zip. They zip and keep them from gathering dust, especially sweaters since you don't wear them very often. And if they sit out, sometimes they'll gather dust in it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I am so in love with this idea because it just neatens the entire closet. If I don't break this down into smaller projects and say do one rack of clothes at a time, then it's overwhelming and then I will put it off and it'll never get done. So that's what we're working on. Another problem I have, and I'm going to take you over here, hats. Look at this. I have hats here. I have hats up here, and I'm working on an idea for that. I found something on Amazon I may use, and they're hooks that hang the hats. You know, I found these beautiful, beautiful compartments for bags, and it was one of the best ideas I've had in a long time. Of course, I didn't have this idea. Some brilliant person who is a master organizer came up with this. If you're able to find these, then I highly recommend them. They are on Amazon, or they were when I bought them. And look at this. They open and they close back with magnets. The doors stay shut. Isn't that fabulous? I love, 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 love it. Okay, the decision's been made. I'm wearing the Michael Kors jeans, the slides, and a linen blouse that needs to be steamed or ironed before I put it on. And this is the blouse. I bought this, let me see it's white and taupe. I bought this somewhere on a vacation. Yes, I am one of those tourists who buys out of those shops you see at ports of call and walking down main streets in cute little towns. And I just can't help myself. I have to go in and check it out. And actually, this top has been a lifesaver at times because I can pair it with a lot. I mean, you'd be surprised what you can pair with taupe and white. And I just have worn it to death. So I can't give you a link to that because it is not a name brand. It reads Santoria Saracina, made in Italy. So I will try to find a link for that top, but I doubt I'm going to find it. I might find something similar for you though, and I'll try to link the jeans and the slides. And how about all of my items that I use for organizing? And if you have some organizing tips for my hats, I would love to hear from you about that. So I'm going to change, and we're going to go somewhere and do something because my whole beach trip did not work out today, and I had planned to get some sun. I wanted to just spend several hours just wandering the beach, but maybe another day. Well, plan A certainly didn't work out. We got rained out, and now we're on to plan B. We are now going to have seafood and hope we don't have another thunderstorm. So let's see what happens. It's looking a bit crowded, so I think other people had the same idea. Well, dinner was a success. That was great. But what I was trying to show you earlier was the palm. That is a traveler's palm. You don't see many of those in South Florida. I don't know if I've ever seen them anywhere other than here. But now we're going to go and walk on the dock and see what kind of boats are docked at this area. Videoed in the restaurant, but it was so loud and so many people talking, and it wouldn't have been a good video. So now we're quietly walking and looking at the beautiful boats in the background. See? Gorgeous. And we are back at the beach. We made it to the end of the day and we get to see the sunset. We'll move you over there. Look at that. Everybody is down the beach watching this beautiful sunset, and I'm hoping you can hear me. But remember, earlier today we had that storm, and look, it's behind me, right there, and it's gone now. Enjoy this beautiful beach, and look at this. Everybody else is turning this around. Look down this way. Look down this way. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And you know the drill. If you're not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button. And you can always follow me on Instagram to see these beautiful Florida sunsets.